Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been staring at your fireplace thinking this has so much potential, but don't want to spend a fortune, you're in the right place. Today I'm showing you how to decorate your fireplace using simple DIY ideas that look high-end but are totally budget-friendly. Let's turn this into a cozy statement piece. Here's what we're starting with. Pretty basic, not terrible, but definitely boring. Let's fix that. First things first, always start with a clean slate. I'm just wiping everything down and removing any old decor so we can really see the space we're working with. If your fireplace isn't functional, no problem. One of my favorite tricks is filling it with decorative logs, lanterns, or pillar candles. This instantly makes the fireplace feel intentional and cozy, even if you never light a fire. I'm using a statement mirror artwork in the center. A vase with dried or faux stems, a few stacked books or candles. Pro tip, mix different heights and textures. That's what makes it look designer, not cluttered. This is where the magic happens. I'm adding peel and stick tile, faux brick, simple wood trim, and honestly, this is one of the easiest DIYs ever. No special tools, renter-friendly, and it completely transforms the fireplace. To finish it off, cozy, stylish, and 100% DIY. And let me know in the comments which part was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.